Oh, nag-ano siya. Very small lang ang laman niya talaga, no? Hmm?
Do you think it's because the containers?
Maybe. So, let's go find the things that we can dig. Ask Lolo, Rick. Ay, let's go find some more. Maybe we have some more in there. Okay, ready? Neg, nakita mo ba dyan ang aming kwan? Ooh, what do you think about that one?
What was that?
She's just... Oh, that's a giant.
How long is that?
Wow, that is a long one. Go get that.
Show mommy, show mommy.
I see it. I see it. Don't touch it.
That's a long one, baby. Hayaan mo siya.
Poop.
That means that the dirt
It's
is
very healthy. Healthy dirt, huh? Okay, let's see. Okay, hold on. Continue nga si Olivia.
Where's my shovel?
We're gonna look for shovel. You're not scared? Check. We only have a few potatoes. Are you closer?
I'll do a close up.
Okay, close up mo sa balance ni Olivia kasi she's looking for patatas. I got it. You close up yung... Got it, baby?
I want my